Hey, let's talk about something that's honestly changed my life: investing. Look, I get it. Investing sounds intimidating, like you need a finance degree or some insider info, but trust me, you don't. I used to think saving money in a bank was enough, but inflation, that sneaky thing, eats away at your cash every year. Investing isn't just about getting rich quick, it's about letting your money work for you, even while you're sleeping. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it's just a seed, right? But give it time, and the right care, and it grows into something that gives you shade, and maybe even fruit. That's what investing does for your future. It can help pay for big things: a house, your kids' education, or that dream vacation. And you don't need a ton of cash to start. There are apps now where you can begin with just a few dollars. Even small amounts add up over time, thanks to this magical thing called compound interest. It's basically earning money on the money you've already earned. Wild, right? But here's the thing. Investing is all about the long game. The earlier you start, the better. Time is your secret weapon. I'm not saying you should dump everything into stocks tomorrow, but learning a bit, starting small, and staying consistent, that can make a massive difference over the years. So, if you've ever thought, investing isn't for me, I promise, it's more doable than you think. Your future self will thank you for every dollar you put to work today. Ready to unlock the secrets of smart investing? Let's get started.